Welcome students to our online classes. Myself Ashwini Honkarse is going to explain you the lesson Coal and Petroleum Part 2. In the Part 1, we studied index of the lesson, natural resources, types of natural resources in that exhaustible and inexhaustible natural resources. We studied what are inexhaustible natural resources, what are exhaustible natural resources, fossils, carbonization. So now we are going to study about destructive distillation. So what is destructive distillation? So it is the process to separate the product, whatever product are combined in a one material. It is the process to separate out some products from the one combining material, that is coal tar. That is what? Coal tar. So what is coal tar? Coal tar is a black thick color liquid. It is a black thick color liquid. So you already know how the damper look like, how the coal look like. So these all are black color material. So these are also one product of this coal tar. These are also a product of coal tar. So what is destructive distillation? The process of heating coal in the absence of air is called as a destructive distillation. The process of heating coal in the absence of air is called destructive distillation. So in this method, what we are doing? We are heating the coal tar up to 200, up to a particular temperature, up to a particular temperature. So when we heat a particular temperature, in a particular temperature, we will get nearly 200 substances in different temperature. We will get nearly 200 different materials, different substance in different temperatures. So for example, drugs, dyes, plastics, perfumes, paints, naphthalene balls, etc. So we already know where we are using drugs, plastics, perfumes, paints, naphthalines, right? So these all materials we will get from coal tar, from the coal tar. And this coal tar we are getting from underground, and when we will heat it in a particular temperature, we will get nearly 200 materials. So coal gas is a byproduct that is obtained during the process of coal to form a coke. So what will happen? When we are preparing a coal, we will get coal gas. When we will prepare the coal, we will get coal gas. So this is the method, this is the laboratory method where we are preparing the coal with the coal tar, with the powder of coal, and with the with the coke, and what we are getting here? Coal gas. And which, what it is, where it is used? It is used as a fuel. Coal gas is used as a fuel. So petroleum is a fossil fuel that is obtained by the decomposition of dead animals and plants due to geological changes under the earth. It remains oil from the rocks. It is a dark oily liquid that is insoluble in water. So petroleum we will get from the fossil fuels. How the fossil fuels will form? It is formed due to dead decaying animals and plants. So this is the diagram, and this is the laboratory process how we are preparing coal gas. So the materials we will get, the constituents or substances we will get from the petroleum, where we are using, let us see, petroleum gas in liquid form, that is called as a LPG. Your cylinders which are present in your home and your mamas are preparing the food, that there we are using LPG, that is petroleum gas in liquid form. So we are using fuel for home and industries. Petrol. Petrol we are using in our daily life for the vehicles, right? Kerosene we are using as a fuel for stoves and lamps. Diesels as well we are using it as for using for motor vehicles. Lubricating oils we are using it for lubrication. Then paraffin wax we are using in ointments, candles, preparing vaselines, etc. And bitumen we are using it in the preparation of paints, road surfacing, etc. So these are the products we will get it from the heating process by the petroleum. So we can say this as a various constituents of petroleum and their uses. Now, so petroleum refining. So you can observe how the petroleum industries are there and how they are preparing the substances here. So when we will take petroleum in a long pump and when we will heat it in a proper temperature, the liquids will be separate in separate branches like this. You can see that in a particular temperature heavy oil will be comes, afterwards diesel, after kerosene, nap then naphtha, then gas oil. So all these products will comes in different temperature. So what is petroleum refining? The process of separating the different constituents of petroleum is known as a petroleum refining. Is known as a petroleum refining. So one of the product of petroleum refining is CNG. What is CNG? We can call it as compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas. So nowadays CNG we are using in vehicles also, right? So natural gas is a very important fossil fuel that is stored under high pressure and is easy to transport through pipes and referred to as a CNG. It is a non-polluting fuel. So even LPG also, which is using in your home, that is also non-polluting gas. It helps in the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. So where we are using CNG, we are using CNG in the preparation of chemicals as well as fertilizers. So let us study some terms. When we will heat the coal tar, we will get some products, right? After that, let us know what are those. If we will get coal gas, coke, and other substance, what are those? Let us study. So first of all, coal. Coal is a fossil fuel formed by a decay of vegetation which existed millions of years ago. So decay of vegetation means dead decayed plant and animals. Then coal gas. So just now we studied that coal gas is prepared by the heating process of coke. Coal gas is obtained as a byproduct during the processing of coal to form a coke and is used as a fuel. Even coal gas is used as a fuel. Coal tar. It is a black, thick liquid with an unpleasant smell obtained by processing of coal. So, coal tar, which is a thick liquid, you can see here this is a coal tar. Even we can say it as a damper, right? Coke. It is a tough, porous, and black substance obtained by the processing of coal. Right? Coke is what? It is a tough, porous, means which contains pores on it, and black substance obtained by the processing of coal. Next, fossil fuel. A fossil fuel is what? It is a dead remains of living organisms and buried over millions of years, like coal, petroleum, and natural gas are fossil fuel. So we can say that a long time ago, when the plants and animals are died and they decayed, they formed as a fossil fuels. Now, the term is petroleum. What is petroleum? It is a dark, oily liquid with an unpleasant odor. It is a source of petrol and diesel. So, we are using petrol in the vehicles, right? So, how the petrol is prepared? It is prepared with the help of petroleum. What we will get from the petroleum? Petrol and diesel. So, petroleum refinery. Petroleum refinery is a place where the process of separating the various constituents of petroleum is carried out. So just now we studied petroleum refinery. It is a type of industry where we are separating different substances from the petroleum. Thank you.